Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Excellency, the judges of Alpha Speech Contest 2022, the Honorable, the Headmaster and all teacher of Ashifa Islamic Boarding Schools Bangwis Java, the Honorable, the committees of Ashifa Lake Festival 2022, and all of the audience. Let us thank for God who give the time and occasion for us so we can join in this competition even in this pandemic era. Blessing and salutation be upon the most honorable Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in goodness till the day of judgment. In this special change, I'm Nesa Eka Nazarena from Ranjana Mulia Senior High School, Tuban East Java. I'd like to present my speech under the title Are Grades and Accurate Representation on Learning? Ladies and gentlemen, in our life, we have always been told that good grades in school are most important thing to get a good job. But are grades really an accurate representation of our intelligence or really show our learning? Meanwhile, grades are a teacher evaluation of student overall performance. Grades are meant to be representation of the overall mastery and performance of the student in a class. But in fact, between one student and another student cannot be equated with a unit of grade. It's to generalizing. We are required to be able to pursue all subjects in class. But sometimes they forget about soft skills that a student must have to live better. Well, if we look at several cases as reported by republica.co.id, a student of junior high school from East Kalimantan confirmed suicide due to frustration for being scolded by his parents because of bad grades at school. Meanwhile, in Suzhou City, Jiangsu Province, China, a fourth-grade student at Fengshan Elementary School is suspected of drinking pesticides at her home because of bad grades in some subject and failed in a semester, as quoted by TribunManado.com. It has been a serious case that must be faced by the world. In my point of view, we are so much more than a grade on a sheet of paper for one subject. Our life needs more than those are. Our mental and physical health are more important than our grade. Because when school measures our success based on grade and result, that's what disappoints us in life. Because life is so much not about the result. It's not about the destination, but it's much more about the process. Never let bad grade destroy our mental. So, I'm here today to share with you my idea that we need to focus on learning rather than grades, where grade is what we say measurement. But the way school measures students is in certain criteria in a specific curriculum. But now, learning is something different, because the learning process is a rule where the student is allowed to be creative, it's allowed to be experimental, it's allowed to make mistakes or even fail. But along the way, they will be able to manage the challenge. That's most important in life. It doesn't mean that grade is not important, but it's not everything. Secondly, the teacher must create an ideal speech between teacher and student. Well, this situation sounds very interesting, but it's not complex. It's just simple. Just need a teacher and student sitting down and try to talk on how to learn a subject, how to learn an extracurricular, or even what they feel and want to share. Try to establish a relation, so the student will actually tell the teacher what they need and they will feel heard. It will make student being connected to the teacher and make the learning process become easier. So dear ladies and gentlemen, we can conclude that we are conditioned to believe that what's valued and find important in school are what we should value and find important in life. But the truth is, no one's opinion can define our future. Well, grades are only teacher evaluation of student overall performance. Well, between student and another student cannot be equated with a unit of grade, because it's too generalizing. So, the solution is, school needs to focus on learning rather than grade. Because on learning process, we are taught what's important in life. Secondly, the teacher must create an ideal speech between teacher and student. It will make student being connected to teacher and make the learning process become easier. And the last way is parents, where parents discover the potential and soft skill of their children. They don't have to demand or even compare their children with others. They just need to support and teach positive values in life. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all from me, Nesa Eka Nazarena Putri. Hopefully, we all get a good education system to live better. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.